So for 2025, I was able to bought one of the gadget that I really love. Actually, dugay na gid kayo ko kapangitaan niya. I was eyeing for this for about a year, like 2023. I really want this gadget. I want to have a high quality camera. And I bought Osmo. So, dili ni siya cash. This is installment. It's a creator package. And actually, dili ko mag-vlog. The reason why I bought this is every time nga mag-picture me, kwaon sa akong anak ang ako ang phone. And low quality ang naa sa ako ang cellphone. So I bought this because my kids are growing. They have a lot of activities in school and I want to capture it every moment. So napalit ko ani just because of vlogging. No, it's not. It's for my family. It's for kanang mga experience and memories because daghan na kay memories nga wala na ako i-document, and right now I am starting to document it. Last year, gipalit na ako na siya August, but dili kay na ko siya ginagamit kay maulaw ko because people are saying na hala, mahal kay siya camera, hala, datuan niya. Actually, this is my investment for my family, not for me. So I said to myself, nga anong dili na ko siya gamitin sa 2026. So I'll be using my Osmo for 2026 a lot. Okay, as you can see, this is the quality of the camera of my phone camera. So, mati siya, hindi na ako siya bet. So, this one, it's a lot way better because it is DJI. Nag-choose ko ani for my family and I think it's worth the deal. Kay, I promise to myself na dili na kay ko magpalit og anything for 2026 because I already have my Osmo. This is my baby. My baby. So that's it. And I bought this accessories with it, and this is my Osmo because I'm looking forward for more travels together with my family to document my bar journey for this year and a lot of things. So nani siya permanently sa akong bag, dili lang nako ginapagawas. So that's it, and let's have a lot of videos upload very soon for 2026. So just follow along and subscribe to our YouTube channel.